Bonsoir mes amis, buonasera miei amici, guten Abend meine liebe Freundin. I have yet another addition to our inventory, but before I get to that, I wanted to thank you once again for taking the time to view yet another very mediocre video of these cars. These videos don't do justice for these awesome cars. I'm doing my best. I'm just trying to show you the quick features and what these cars are all about in the few minutes that I have here, 8, 9, 10 minutes. So without further ado, let me show you this awesome little machine here. How about a 2010 Aston Martin DB9 in the beautiful midnight blue over Caspian Blue leather interior. Just a looker. This car is such a looker. These are, I want to say, 19-inch wheels, 5-spoke wheels with brand new tires. Love this color combination. Tan with blue, Caspian Blue interior with this dark walnut ski slope, they call it, center console. You don't see this color that often. If I can regain control of my camera here, I'm still getting used to this thing. Yeah, check this out. Doesn't she look beautiful? I didn't tell you the best thing about this car. It has 23,000 miles. Brand new tires, as I said before. Look at that front here. How beautiful that thing looks. It's kind of quick spinner on this car. So the 2010 year model has the updated interior. You notice you have the updated climate control and radio from the older 06, 07, 08 model. This particular one has premium sound system, Bang Olufsen. And you're gonna love this. These speakers pop out of the speaker right here, and the other one on the other side. They pop out of the dash when you turn on the radio. This particular car also happens to have electronic adjustable suspension and a rear backup camera. It's the first time I see one in an Aston Martin DB9. So let's see if we can get it started. So all you need to do is put this key in here, put your foot on the brake, and let this thing do its magic. By the way, if you want to turn on the navigation, it turns on its own. But if you don't like to look at that obsolete navigation system, all you need to do is just come back here and push nav and then press back. And what it does is it turns it off and then it swivels back in. And well, right now it's on iPod, but if I want to change, these are all, let me show you this real quick. These are all the inputs that it takes: CD and satellite radio 1 and 2, auxiliary, USB, and iPod. It has every possible input you can think of. Suppose I go with AM, FM.
Using a championship that you're never going to win with those two players.
Check out that sound system now. Notice if I turn this off here, notice these speakers going back in. Is that cool or is that cool? And then same thing, if I turn it back on, if I look at the speakers, I didn't turn it on. This is how you turn it on. Press this on, said Bang Olufsen, and then the speakers pop out. Alright, well, played enough with that. Let's press D for drive. I'll show you another cool thing that I love about these cars is you can use it, you can drive it with these shifters. It's got paddle shifters. So right now it's in drive. I can drive it in just old man sport mode. And no, I'm sorry. You can drive it in the old man comfort mode, or you can shift yourself how you want it to drive in sport mode, or you can push this sport button here, sport, and you can also adjust the suspension on this button, this different suspension. So let's see, right now it's in sport mode. Let's see that exhaust. And the suspension is a little stiffer. Got up to 60 miles an hour really quick. It's really noisy right now, so I'm going to kick it down a notch here and put up the top real quick. Right. So all you need to do is to lift the top, is push this button down. Then when I look up here, does its own thing. Look how quick that is. Done. And we can quiet it down a little bit. Six-liter V12 Aston Martin DB9. This is the James Bond 007 preferred mode of transportation. Listen to this thing. Woo! I don't know about you, but I'd rather drive it in sport mode. Alright, here we go. Let's hope we don't have any traffic in front of us, 'cause this car wants to run. Woo! 68 miles per hour, really quick. Well, that's about as much as I could show you with the traffic we have here. Thank you for watching once again, guys. Hope you enjoyed the time you spent here. Hopefully it was quality time with Val Eurosport. We have a few more interesting pieces coming in. Thank you for the time you spent with us here at Val Eurosport. I hope it was quality time. Just a quick note I wanted to drop for you guys. We have special treats coming your way. We have a 2007 Aston Martin DB9 with 6-speed manual, only 12,000 miles coming in. Also a 2006 Aston Martin DB9 Coupe, also with a 6-speed manual. Should I mention that they're both the same color, or would that ruin your surprise? So, also, a bunch of Maseratis, all coming at the same time. Stay tuned. We'll have more fun together. Bye now.